Waiting on Frank to come back up out of there. There he is.
Out there, man. I done surpassed you.
Yeah.
Pretty cool old bridge.
Yes, it was.
We could probably find some mud down there for you to go through.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be bad. So get a video of you doing that.
Right.
Well, back in the dirt bike day, we'd jump off something like right here, go down there and hit up that creek to that thing.
Yep.
That's what we used to do.
Yeah, I've done the same thing.
We didn't need no roads. Sometimes you get going up there and you get into a log jam with so many logs, you gotta turn around.
Figure out
another way around.
Find a way out of it and back into it.
Yeah, because usually the banks are all worked out and they're straight up and down.
Yeah.
Hard to get out of. Down in the bottom, whatever river that is, creek, river, whatever it is.
Yeah. Well, it's a river channel, but
Is this the way you came when you said you went?
I don't remember if I went this way. Like I said, it's been probably 3 years since I come out here.
Oh, I thought you made that video not that long ago.
What?
The bridge.
Well, yeah, coming to the bridge is fine, but I'm not coming out this way. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay, yeah. All right. Don't run over that.
Or was it?
Turd. I mean, you can if you want.
Put a turd.
Gas it and just swing it right up the back.
Put a turd through a turd.
Yeah, it's in limp mode, so.
Yeah.
Not like a lady, you just start calling that thing the limp turd.
Yep.
But it's a nice day.
It is.
11 p.m. We are at 732 feet, man. I'm like 4,000 feet lower than I'm normally at.
Right.
Crazy. So from the house coming out here and then doing the riding on this 300L, coming out here on the Gold Wing with this GPS on here, I've done 1,895 miles.
Really?
Yep.
Old boy's got his Harley down there beside his trailer. Can you imagine riding that in and out of here on his gravel?
No kidding. It's probably in limp mode, so he can't ride it.
I bet he gets so much rock in that belt.
Oh man. No way.
I think if I had a Harley like that out here, I think I'd have to change it over to chain drive.
Oh, we can't go in there. Are you serious?
Nope.
How rude. How rude.
Wonder where it goes.
I don't know. It's one of those gates that your taxes pay for it and shut you off.
Yep.
That's how they work it.
Yep.
Pay them taxes so we can buy gates with it and shut you off the land you pay taxes to use.
Yep.
It's because nobody will stand up and fight against it.
Yeah.
They just say, oh well, and go on. Nobody makes a stand. And if somebody does make a stand, nobody will stand with them.
Yep.
So that's the way it works. I tried to one time, everybody's like, well, they ain't gonna do that. Okay, with that attitude, no they won't.
Yep.
Yeah, they will. They will, alright. They'll put more gates in.
Yep.
And they did. racing the courses so that people are sitting up there in the office instead of out here putting a stop to it.
That's right.
Start writing some tickets, they'll start doing something.
Yep.
And I had one guy at the Forest Service told me, he said, well, it's kind of harder to catch them than you think. And I'm like, I ride every weekend down there, and I see them every weekend down there, and you're not ever here. So, yeah, it would be hard to catch them doing it when you're sitting in the office.
Yep.
Kind of teach them off, because they don't like when you tell the truth.
Exactly.
They all just lazy away from all their paychecks and sit in an air-conditioned office, which I guess that'd be the way to do it.
Too afraid to get off their butt and go down there and confront them.
Just start from the top and go down. The people above them need to make them get out and do the job, and the people above those people need to make them do their job. That's just the way it works.
Yep.
But none of them do their job. It don't matter. They find some good dirt roads anyway.
Yeah.
Pretty good road. I'm gonna stop down here at the end of this video.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well guys, I'm going to end the video here, and we're going to take a quick break, and we'll catch you on the next video. If you like the content, hit the like button, and if you haven't, subscribe. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified when another video comes out.